To exchange on Atomic Wallet, start by downloading and installing the application on your device. Once installed, create a new wallet or import an existing one using your seed phrase. The Atomic Wallet interface is user-friendly and easy to navigate, with clear tabs for different functions such as wallet, exchange, and settings. To access the exchange feature, click on the Exchange tab, where you can choose the cryptocurrency you want to exchange and the one you want to receive. Atomic Wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as many smaller altcoins. You can search for the specific cryptocurrencies you want to exchange using the search bar, or browse through the list of available options. When you have selected the cryptocurrencies you want to exchange, enter the amount you want to exchange and review the exchange rate and any fees that apply. Atomic Wallet uses a competitive pricing system to ensure you get the best rate for your exchange. Before confirming the exchange, make sure you have enough balance in your wallet to cover the amount you want to exchange, as well as any fees that apply. You can also check the minimum and maximum exchange amounts to ensure you are within the allowed limits. Once you have reviewed and confirmed the exchange details, click the Exchange button to complete the transaction. The exchange process is typically fast and secure, with most transactions being processed in a matter of seconds. After the exchange is complete, you can view your new balance in the Wallet tab, and use the received cryptocurrency to make further transactions or store it in your wallet for future use. It is also a good idea to back up your wallet and seed phrase to ensure the security of your funds. By following these steps, you can easily and securely exchange cryptocurrencies on Atomic Wallet, taking advantage of the platform's competitive pricing and wide range of supported assets.